Recording is on.
Okay, let's start our class. Today we're going to talk about related statements. Okay, so let me write it here. Related statements. In last class, we learned about loops, right? We learned about for loop, while loop, do while loop. So today we're going to learn about how to use a related statement inside the loop. Okay, so we have today three statements: break, continue, and go to. Right? Break. Break is used in terminating the loop. Terminating the loop. It means stop the loop. Right? After it is encountered. Right? Then continue means is skip some statements. Go to statement is transfer the code let's say transfer the program to other part of source code. Source code. Okay. All right. Let's see example one by one. For a while, integer I equal to 0, I okay. Last class it will print you from 0 to 9, right? Because we have a condition here that says I is less than 10 and I value is 1 and we have an increment. Every time loop iterates, it will add 1 to i's value. So when it iterates one time, this I value becomes 1. Then when it iterates second time, it becomes 2, all the way to 10. When it's 10, then this condition becomes false, so loop will stop, right? So now we want to learn about to stop the loop by condition. We use if. Okay, let's say break. Okay, now what happens is this if condition will check the I value. When I is equal to 5, it will break the loop. That means it will terminate the loop. Loop will stop. So, which means output will be 0 for the first time. Then when it runs second time, output will be 1. Third time, output will be 2, all the way to 5. When it's 5, it will print out the 5, but then it will break the loop. Break means stop the block, you can say, because this statement is running inside the block, right? So when break occurs, this break will break whole block. It doesn't matter this condition is matched or not. Okay, when it's a break, that means it is terminated. Okay, then let's see the continuously. Okay. So continue break will be terminate the whole loop. Continue will skip some statement, right? So let's use again I less than 10 and I plus plus. Okay. If you want to use continue, now we have to use the if condition first. Okay. If I equal, we use 5, right? Now let's go use this break. Let's just put simply continue. Then we print f I. So what happens here is this loop runs, right? Because I value is 0, then condition is less than 10, right? So this condition will check the i's value for the first time. The condition is false because I value is 0. Second time I value is 1. Third time I value is 4. Then which means it will skip the number 5. It will skip the number 5. Then it runs from beginning. So whenever this occurs, it will take the loop from beginning. It will not allow to go back to this print statement. Okay? When I is equal to 5, it comes to the continue. Then from continue, it goes back to beginning of the loop. It will not run this print statement. There's a difference between continue and break. Continue is the loop will not terminate, loop will continue, but it will skip that specific statement or specific value. Break will just break all loop. Okay, we will see later in code blocks. Okay, next is goto. Goto means it will transfer the program to other part of the source code. What it means is, let's say we have a print statement, right? Print maybe Ali, and let's say we have go to level, right? Then we have another print. Let's say we have let's say we have L print F. Let's see the okay. Whenever this okay, the output will be okay, output will be Ali first, then next statement is go to, right? So it will go to L. It will skip this door statement. It will directly go to the L. So output will be Ali and your point here. So it will just go to L. See that L is here directly. That's a goto. That's how goto works. So let's open code blocks. Then we will check. Let's open new. Let's give a name. Sequence AI-19. Okay. So first, we include the studio. Call the main class. Let me make this size bigger. Can you see it now? Okay. First, let's see the break statement, right? Break statement. Okay. So we use the example using for loop, right? Let's use for loop I less than 10, I plus plus, right? Okay. We want to print out I. Let's print out I. Okay. You see that output is from 0 to 9, right? It's printing whole i's value. So what we want to do now is we want to break after 5, value 5 of this, right? So we use the if condition, I equal to 5. We want to put break here. So what output should be from 0 to 5. Then it should stop whole loop, right? Because it comes to here to check i's value. Then if i's value is equal to 5, it will break the loop. It will terminate the loop. That's fine. You see the output? Output is from 0 to 5. If you want to change, you can put like maybe 2. So output will be from 0 to 2. See that? If you want to print out from 0 to 9, you just change the condition. So output will be from 0 to 9. Originally, also it was printing from 0 to 9, let's skip 8. So it's printing from 0 to 8. So most important thing is if this condition is true, then it will break the loop, terminate the loop. Okay, that's the main thing. So next statement is continue statement. Let's delete this. In continue statement, we use if condition first. If I value is equal to 5, then continue, right? Continue, then print f I value. Okay, let's run it. You see the output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You see that it skips 5 because we put the condition I value is when the I value is 5, skip that printing statement whenever this I value is 5. If you want to skip another value, you can put other value. For example, maybe 3. It will skip the 3 now. Okay. If you want to skip more than one number, you can change the condition. 3, you can use Boolean expression, or I equals maybe 5. So it will skip 3 and 5. Let's check. So you see that output 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. It's skipping uh, number 3, and number 5. All right. So continue will continue the loop, but it will just skip the specific value or specific statement. Okay. Break will break whole loop. It will not skip. It will break. It will terminate the loop. All right. That's amazing. You have to take away. Okay. Roland, do you have any questions? Go to statement. We will check. Okay. If you don't have question, you can just continue to go to statement. Okay. You go to the print. We can use just print. Let's put more alone. Next line, right? Then let's put go to L and print maybe some word, right? And print maybe Sarah. Okay. Then let's put go to L, print F, let's say Rustam. Okay. So what our program will be is it will print this model. Then next line is go to, means transfer. Where? To this L. So it will transfer to L directly here. It will skip these two statements. All right. So let's check. You see the output? Output is Manolam and Rustam. It's skipping two statements because we use goto statement. Goto means transfer the program to other part of source code. Okay. It's simple, but you can just use if you want to make a big project. You need this type of statements. In the future, you can call classes, not classes, you can use functions just to skip some functions or some statements. Okay? So go to means skip, or go to means transfer or skip. Transfer to other part of source code. Okay. All right. So today, that's it for today. Today you learn about go to statement, which means transfer. Transfer to other part of code. You can say then we learn about break statement, which means terminate the loop. Then we use continue statement, skip some statements. All right. So we learn about three related statements. Okay. We learn about goto statement, which means transferring the code to other part of source code. Break statement, which terminates the loop. And continue statement will skip some statements in the loop. All right. I think that's it for today. You need to do some exercise to understand more clearly. If you have questions, you can contact me. Well, do you have any questions? If you have a question, you can ask me. Okay, good. If you don't have question, you can end our class now. So yeah, right. If you try it by yourself, then you will have some questions. That's right. You can contact me on Telegram if you have questions. All right. I will upload this video to your group and tell your classmates to attend this online class. There's only one student attend today. This is not good. Okay. Then one more thing is you guys should buy Arduino because after few weeks we start to write a program to Arduino microcontrollers. All right. I think that's it for today, and you can end.